Alright, boys and girls, we're gonna go hit that little piece of PA 66 Turnpike. See how the Berg handles that. We're not gonna ride the whole way over there. We'll cut all that out and just get to the meat. Let me stop over here at the Tasty Land before I hit the Turnpike, and I'll have me a little cone. I'll have to have me a little cone for the trip. Oh man, they look closed. Oh man. Oh, bummer. Okay, they don't open till 3 o'clock, and it's 2:15 right now. So yeah, I'm not waiting around for 45 minutes to get a cone. We'll just come up here and get on a Turnpike. Now it's real windy today, so I'm expecting to get bumped around here a little bit. That is the only guy on the Turnpike beside me. There wasn't one soul on here. I could have went 30 miles an hour and nobody would have cared. I guess nobody's traveling anywhere today. Yep, that's the only guy out here beside me. Wow. okay, so it rode fine. I mean, the wind bashed me around a little bit, but nothing major. It wasn't like I was wobbling all over the place or nothing, but I was feeling it. All right, the Berg performed well. We're on Route 30, by the way. Just heading back home. Alright guys, we made it back home. The Bergman performed as expected. It's running decent, so I'm not having any issue right now. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.